Hello, I'm Heidie Rosado Nieves, Executive Career Coach, and I am happy to be able to share with you today the launching of the unboxing event and virtual experience Mapa Profesional, or my career map. And you may be asking yourself, what is this about? Well, during the last 30 years, I've dedicated my life to helping, guiding, and coaching thousands of professionals that have faced a job loss, or maybe they've started a job search, or more profoundly are searching for the work that they were born to do. Like what's next in my life? What can I do in this phase in my life? I'm lost and I don't even know where I'm going. Well, if this resonates with you, well, then this workshop is for you. Well, based on those 30 years of experience and my personal journey of discovering the work that I was born to do, I created this workshop, which is called My Career Map, which I started to facilitate in 2020, but due to the circumstances, well, we had to redesign it and create what you are knowing today as the virtual experience, the Mapa Profesional. How does it work? Well, once you enroll in the workshop, you're going to be receiving all your materials in this box shipped to your home address. In the box, you'll be receiving all the materials that you need and a couple of surprises more. And because they're surprises, I'm not going to tell you. So once you receive your box, you can't open it. We're all going to open the box on October 18th, 10 a.m., where every participant is going to open their box simultaneously. And let me share with you, we already have participants enrolled from Puerto Rico, Ireland, Spain, and the United States, though. So this is becoming an international virtual experience. Once you receive your box and you open your box, we'll start the first session on Monday, October 19th, where we will be starting your voyage into discovering the work that you were born to do. This is the map that you're going to be receiving in your box, and we're going to start creating your path in the map, both past, present, and future. So yes, what have I done? Where am I now? And where am I headed towards? Always focusing on those things that cause me joy, that I'm passionate about, the things that I love doing, the things that I'm great at. And once your map is complete, most likely the map will start giving you a message and reveal to you what is that work that you were born to do. So you're going to be having two virtual sessions, Monday and Wednesday, October 19 and 21st. In between, you're going to be having a couple of sessions. We're also going to be meeting during the mornings to have some meditation and put ourselves in purpose for the day. And we're also going to be having virtual sessions to join for a cup of coffee and see how everyone else is doing. And you're going to have a personal session with me, which is the session that reveals all those possibilities that your map is showing for you. What are the doors that are opening for me? What is the path telling me as to where am I going? And after that, you're going to be able to join the community where we're all going to support each other on manifesting the work that we were born to do. So if you're interested in enrolling for this experience and living and creating your career map, you can just search in the website HeidieRosado.com or click on the link that I have included in this post and simply enroll. The workshop is going to be conducted in Spanish now in October. However, we will be having an English version during the month of November. So if this message resonates with you, if you find yourself to feel lost and maybe you're searching for your ikigai, your reason for being, the work that you were born to do, and for me it's the work that you were born to be, because it's part of who you are, it's part of your being, and it serves this greater purpose. Well, maybe this is your call to join us and discover what that message is for you. What is your calling? What's next for you? How will you contribute to serve humanity? So I hope you join us in the unboxing event, virtual experience, Mapa Profesional, My Career Map. I'd love to be able to manifest the job that I was born to do